Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Between Work and Life. This is Shalini, and in today's video I am going to do a haul. This time the haul is about the shopping that I have done from Linking Road, Hill Road, those all are in Bandra, and from Colaba street shopping. So I have accumulated all my shopping from all these street shopping, and this is based on the amazing response that I have received on my earlier videos. If you want, I'll add the link of those videos in my description box. If you haven't checked out that, then you can go and check out after watching this video, of course. So this is going to be a huge haul, so stay connected till the end and let's start the video. So first collection that I'm going to show today is of my jewelry. So I've got so many jewelries from different places. I'll tell you the cost and from where I have purchased. By the way, this tray also I have purchased from Colaba that I will show you at the end. The first jewelry that I got is this one. This was only for 100 rupees, and this looks so pretty, and it has got this sound, of this jewel. So it's really nice. It has got that mirror detailing and it's oxidized, so 100 rupees. Again in my list is this beautiful earring piece from Colaba market. I bought this for 200. This is quite heavy. Detailing is pretty nice. It's very beautiful. It has got a stone on the eye of the peacock. This looks very elegant, and yeah, this is oxidized, but it's a bit on heavy side, like weight wise it's a bit heavy, but worth the purchase. Third in my list is this beautiful earring. This again I bought for 100. So if you have watched my Hill Road video, I have shown there was a shop called Paglan Art, and they were selling all these earrings at fixed price of 100 rupees. Even if you buy a small hoop or a heavy earring like this, they were selling it at 100 rupees each, so it was worth buy. It has got this beautiful Om plus that Trishul. It's really pretty, and I really like the quirky side of this earring. This was again for 100 rupees. So next I got this from Hill Road again, and this is kind of bracelet kind of thing where you have to twist and turn to wear this, and I got this for 150, though he told me initially it is for 200 or 250. I did some easy bargaining, and then he sold me for 100 rupees. This is really nice and very ethnic look, a very unique one, and you would have seen on Instagram or many other places. Like this has got Ganesha idol, as well as with Trishul, and this kind of resembles the dummy of Shivji with this pearl detailing. So this is again a very nice buy, and I got this for 100 again. Yeah, it's from the same Paglan Art Hill. I'm not getting the second one, but yeah, this is a hoop that I got, and this is again from Colaba market, and I got this for 50 rupees only. I won't say it's a good buy because the hook is not very comfortable, but it looks nice, very golden. They had option in silver, oxidized silver, rose gold, etc. Chain cum pendant. So this is that evil eye pendant, and it looks so quirky. I would have loved if it was in silver color, but still it looks very pretty. And this I bought for some vendor who was just selling on the street, and he did not bargain much because I found it quite costly, and I bought this at the start of my shopping. So I bought this for 100 or 150, yeah. Next in my list is this 3 set of neck piece again. This I bought from Colaba street. This is 3 layer, and it's got stars on it. The quality is really nice. If I can show you, the chain detail is really nice, and this was for 150. There were different shops with different quality, I would say. There were shops which were selling at 150, 180, 200. I got this for 150 or 180, but then yeah, it's a nice to team up with some maybe office wear or t-shirt like this. It's very nice. Again from my Colaba shopping, and I have shown you in my video, there is a shop which makes customized keychain or pendant like these. So the chain is not that good, but the quality of the pendant was really nice. It says sharp for infant. This year, I will tell you, I bought this 3 years back, and I bought this at that time for only rupees 50. You can see the detailing, and this is so beautiful with stones all over the places, and it is so old, still the shine hasn't gone. and I wear it with my Indian clothes and it looks very chic. Next one is the bracelet that you can put on with your watch. If you have a golden or golden silver mixed watch, you can put this on. It opens up like this. I bought this only for $100. So it was nice. You can just take it like this and it looks very cute. I bought this from Colaba Street and you won't believe the guy was quoting around 600, 700 for this one, and I randomly just told him that I'll buy it for 200 and he agreed. And this is a very beautiful carved out design, and there's some golden detailing in the tray, so it looks very beautiful. I used it on my lots of Instagram posts. Next I'll show you my clothes collection. And beautiful dress that I bought from Linking Road, and I remember going to the same shop 2-3 years back, and I purchased 5-6 dresses, like Indian dresses from that shop, and it was very reasonably priced for 600-650 for dresses like these. I'll show you in detail. He was selling a dress with palazzo for 750 or 800, and all the dresses that I saw in that shop had lots and lots of flair, so that was a very nice thing that you don't find mostly in street shopping, so I found it really worth it. So I'll show you, though he was saying that this is some kind of copy of what Alia Bhatt has worn, but it's exactly not the same, and I would personally say that it's not even close to what was there. But the dress is very nice. If I can show you the flare, it's got good amount of flare, good amount of flare if I'm able to show you, and it's got golden detailing here which looks very elegant. It has got this puffed sleeve. I don't like this sleeve, but maybe I'll get this cut, and this will become a very nice dress. I wore it once and I really found the quality of this particular suit to be really nice, especially in the price of 600-650, so it's worth buying. I got this dupatta in the same price, by the way. It is 600. I got this huge dupatta like this. This is around, I would say, around 5 feet of length, and it has got laces on the side, so it looks cute. I'll move to my dresses that I bought from there. So the first dress that I'm going to show is this very simple yet very elegant, I would say, dress, and the material of this dress is a bit thin, but it has got inner in this, so it's got dress along with the inner. Finding both, I would say it is not transparent at all, it is opaque. Sleeve is a bit less opaque, I would say. It has got this rubber at the end, and it fits me like it was made for me. And the beautiful part that I liked about this dress is this lace detailing at the end, and it looks very nice. And you know what, you won't believe, like I didn't believe initially. He quoted 350 for this, and I tried to bargain. I just told him that I'm not sure about the size, so he just sold me for 300. Next shop was a shop where he was just shouting like 300. I just thought I'll go and check something over there, and I got this dress. This is a very summery dress. I got this again for 300. This is pure cotton, and it has got that this is stretchable at the end, so it will fit, like it will kind of fit, and I'm really going to put this on when it's summer. Bit transparent, but good for that summery vibe. I got this for 550, and this was in many colors. Like you'll see this pattern in all the street shopping. Like you'll see an olive green color. Everyone is selling the same piece, and I was also inclined towards it, but later on, thankfully, I saw that this was only present in the market. So I really like this white color. It's a very beachy vibe. It's transparent, but it has got slip in this, so it does the job. And this looks really nice. Only for 550. I think I quoted around 600, and I bought it for 550. Next in my list is this denim shirt. I got the shirt for 600. This is a bit oversized for me, but I bought it oversized because I wanted to just put it on over any t-shirt if I just want to give a twist to my dressing. The quality of this shirt is really nice. It is so soft. Next on my clothes list, and that's the last on my clothes list, is this t-shirt. This is a plain t-shirt saying it's a Zara man. Of course, it's not the Zara stuff. But you won't believe I bought this for 170 or something. Yeah, 170. And the quality of this material is so nice. I have used it twice and I have machine washed it and it doesn't show any bubbling. So a t-shirt in 170 is like killer, man. So yeah, I got the same t-shirt in this dark pink color. Both colors are really nice and beautiful. So that's it on my clothes shopping. This is my collection of all the sandals and chappals that I bought from, mostly I bought from Hill Road. Yeah, I bought it from Hill Road. So the first one is this one, which is like so cute. Let's show you. This is so cute and I bought this for 300. I found a bit pricey, like I would have expected 150 or something, but I liked it so much that I ended up buying it even for 300. So this was at the end of Hill Road. Next sandal that I bought is this grey one. It has got very nice glitter. The glitter is like hidden kind of, it doesn't come out. I bought this as well as this, both those sandals for 350. So this is a Good Luck store and it was selling 2 sandals for 350, 3 for 500 and 1 for 150 or 200 like that. So I bought this 2 and I really like this one with Indian one, and this is good for office wear or some casual stuff. In my list is this beautiful party kinder sandal. It has got black detail, it's a stone thing, and when you touch it scores. It looks really beautiful to team up with in some party. The last piece in my haul is this cap that I bought from Linking Road. I bought this for 200. Yeah, I bought this for 200 and this was really stunning. So that's it on my shopping haul and whatever I bought from all the street shopping. I really like the stuff in these street shops. These are very quality materials that I bought. I'm very happy with my purchase. So yeah, that's it on my haul. Let me know in the comment section if you like any stuff and if you're planning to go and buy there. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.